Hello everybody, welcome to our channel Gurukul. Today we are going to work with the kids. I will do the backhand. How we can do the double hand backhand, okay? So that one I want to just teach them few fundamental, and then how can I make the group lesson with the two kids or private lesson. That one I am going to do this. So this is the two girls. Come here, come close. What is your name? Anushka and Isika, okay? These two girls are going to play with me. So today is the morning time, so everybody in the school. Now school is closed, but these two girls are ready to play. So I'm doing with them. So now we are going to work for the backhand stroke, okay? Can you ready position again? Here, 1 and 2. So we are going to do the shadow swing first, okay? So first we are going to do the how we can do the ready position because we are coming. So next today is a little bit more progression. We have bounce and 1. Can you do bounce and 1 wider? Okay, can you do 1, 2? No. When I stop, that time you are bouncing, okay? And then 1 is like this. Then doing like this. 2, this. Okay? Ready? Come on. 1, 2. Wait. This hand is too close to the body, okay? When I will do, my hand will be a little far, okay? Ready position, little more far, okay? Keep your hand little more up and here, okay? In the gap in between. Ready once again. Bouncing. 3. Good. 4. Okay. 5. Okay, that's good. Now we are going to do the take back, okay? So you assume that ball is coming to your back. Then what to do? You have to be ready position, split step and then turn, isn't it? Because ball is coming. When to do is split step? When opponent is hitting the ball, you are bouncing and opponent hitting and then you are split step and you know the ball is coming backhand, so you have to turn, okay? So this foot is there and turn, okay? So now 3 times you do the same thing, split step and turn backhand, okay? Ready? No, not now. When I say that you do. Ready? Bouncing. 1. Good. 2. 3. Okay, now I want to do one forehand also, one backhand also. Okay? Ready? 1. Good. And then 2. Okay, you understand now? So when ball is approaching to you, you have to be ready for the forehand or you have to be ready for the backhand. So this concept also they must know. Sometimes they don't know where to move. Okay, so I just want to clear because this is my job to tell them and inform them each and every point. If they will doing wrong, I will do again. This is my job. Okay. So now ready? So now you have to ready position. 1, 2, 3. Can you do now? Ready? Go. That's good. Ready position. Go. No, I want a little more bounce. More bounce. 1. Go. Good. Ready? Okay, it's better now. One more, last one. Okay. So now they already played with the coaches. So I'm just trying to do something for them. Now ready in the center line, you can make a line. Center line. So little more, keep the camera a little more that side and do. Okay. So 3 balls deep, little more back. Okay. Bouncing and hitting the ball. Ready? 1. Good. 2. 9. 3. Good. Nice. See there? 1. Okay. 2. Okay. 3. Oh, what's the ball? One more. Anushka, keep your eye on the ball. That's good. Next. 3. Don't watch the camera. The move the 1. Okay. 2. Okay. 3. Nice. Okay, back. So you are doing good now. One more. I will do 1. Okay. 2. Oh, watch the ball. Not hard. I'm saying that control the ball, okay? Now a little bit more back. Okay, you are doing shadow or not? I didn't see. I hit the ball here. So you have to literally move and hit the ball. So you move sideways and then turn and then hit, and after hitting is a recovery step and then back again. Okay? Can I see how you can do this? Ready? One. Back. Good. Recovery is okay. After hitting, good. Nice. So move close below. Okay, next. Okay, next. Okay. One. Okay, good. Two. Okay. Three. Nice. Next. One. Two. Okay. Three. Next. Last one. One. Okay. Two. Good. Three. Okay, next. I want that last time I did the forehand. Okay. So this time I want that you do the forehand also and backhand also with the movement. Okay. Can I see? Prince, forehand and backhand. Ready? Don't hit me. Okay. 1, 4 balls. Good. Turn. Recovery step. 2. Okay. 3. Good. 4. Nice. Next one. Can you come? 1. Okay. 2. Okay. 3. Nice. 4. Okay. Next. Okay. 1. Okay. 2. Okay. 3. Okay. 4. One more. Last one. 1. Okay. 2. Okay. 3. Okay. 4. So now I want within 30 seconds you are going to pick up the ball. Can you run fast? And then I give you the water break. Okay? Can you do faster? Camera le. Ball utha. 30 seconds. Now 5 seconds over. 25 more. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. 10. 5, 4, 1 ball there, 3, 2, and 1. That's good one. You take a water break and then we are going to do the rally, okay? Go and fast, come. So now you understand, I'm involving with the player, I'm teaching them, but when they are picking up ball, I'm also insisting them to do more faster, but they are kids. They are getting tired. So if they are getting tired, it's my job. They are like my son and daughter, okay? So I have to understand they are tiring. So I have to give them time to drink water. I will shout to them, but I have to love to them also. So this is the job of the coach. Coach job is not only for the teaching. It's my job as a teacher, as a friend, as a father, as a mother, as a guider, or as a motivator. Every job I have to be do. So just I know that you all are doing, but I want to explain all this, that my job is very big job, and I have to take them that they are in safety, okay? Because what they are doing or not in the court or in the club is my job to keep them safe, more happier, and make them more fun, okay? So now we are going to do the rally. Can you go that side? Now we are doing the backhand rally with me, okay? Who is going to make 10 balls, rally with me, and then I give you one Cadbury chocolate. Go back. Not today I do. Today I don't have, I will give you tomorrow. Teacher, ask me, mere ko pura le. Ready? Backhand. Down the line, slowly to me. 1, good. Forehand also can do it. 2. Okay, ready? 3. Oh, miss. You have that. No forehand. We are learning backhand now. Come on. Try to hit more backhand. If ball is I'm giving you the backhand. Don't make it, sorry. Don't make it forehand. If I miss, you can get one extra ball. Okay? That's good one back. That's good. Nice. Good, Anushka. You are great. Come on back. Okay, good. One more. And you already done 10 rallies, okay? You did 10 rallies. You will get tomorrow one chocolate because today I don't have. One. Okay. Little more down the line. Come on, come on. That's good. 3. Okay, one more. Back, back, back. Go, go. Watch the ball nicely and follow the ball, okay? No, no, no. Backhand, try to get the backhand. Up, 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 up. Okay. This one again there. So I'm giving the ball to the backhand. And they are going. Sorry. It's my fault. Okay, one more. Nice. This. Okay. Good. Oh, that's great one. Oh, nice, nice catch. One more. Oh, that's good one. One more. Okay, forehand, no problem. And this backhand, come on. Oh, good one. Come on. Yes, this one. Oh, yeah, I missed the ball. One more. Okay, next. Anushka. Come on. One. This one. Okay. This. Oh, this side. Come on. Oh, not this side. Down the line. Straight. Aha, one more. Okay. This one. Go. The easy ball I'm giving you. Very close, very low. Yes, yes, very. My ball is, my return is so nice. Come on, go, go, go. And then I'm giving you here. Go. Okay. Oh, I missed the ball. Very nice, okay. So now, we got it, okay. So this one is the rally. Now we try to make forehand and backhand rally together, okay. Can you go back once more? So I want to make the new progression. I'm teaching backhand, but I want to do the forehand and backhand also, so they will be more free. So I want to make them move, and they realize that. Oh no, one more. One. Okay. Sorry, my fault. One.
Sabar.
Oh, sorry. You did give it? Okay, ready. 1, 10 ball. Okay. 2, back. 9, 3. Okay. 4. Nice. 5. Good. 6. Okay. 7. Come on, run. Oh, next. That's good catch, okay? But you will just click the ball, okay? 1. Come on. Sorry. Anushka, yeah. Oh, nice. Go. Okay. This one. Oh, nice one. This one. Can you go? This? Wow, what a catch. I will give you easy ball now. Oh, this one. Go and recover. Very good. And this side is here. Nice. And one more forehand. Because you are tired. I'm trying to give you. Oh, sorry. Come. Okay, you're tired. Okay. 1. Okay. 2. 9. 3. 5. 4. Good. 5. Okay. 6. Oh, yeah, come on. Yay! Aya?
Hi.
Okay. See, I got the point with my leg, okay? So now you understand? Are you tired? Okay. So we are going to play match, okay? Ready? Come here. Just pick up the net ball fast. Faster. Come on, quick. Now, go to the side. Today we are going to play full court match, okay? Because last time we did the forehand, today we did the backhand and forehand also. So we play a little bit full, okay? But don't hit hard, try to keep the ball in the court. Anushka, can you go that side? Can you hear? Back. one. Good. Oi, 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 oi. It's in. Nice. Oh yeah, don't hit the ball out. That is the point. Love one. Come on. Oh, that's good one. True love, isn't it? 1-1. Okay, 1-1. So I don't need to feed all the time to Anushka because Anushka is getting my feeding ball easily. So I will give some time here also, this side also. So both sides I have to feed. Nice. Oh, that's out. What is that? 1-2. Okay. One more. That's good. Oh yeah! Lucky Anushka. Can you pass the ball to me? So now, what is the score? 2-1? 3-1. Okay, sorry. Ready, come on, go. That's good. Oh, you are try to make more rally, okay? Don't try to make the point. No rush, okay? Score is 3-2. Okay, ready? This side. Okay. Oh. This is the point. 4-2. Can you pass the ball? It's dangerous. Okay. Thank you. It's a match point for her. Last time also you played the match point and then after that you lost. Okay. Let's see how you are going to do today. Oh my God. That's a good one. Oh. Out. I knew that. The 4-3, isn't it? Last time again, same thing. This. Whoa. Out, 4-all. Oh my God. It's the same score is going to be last time also, same. 4-all, both match points. Finally, Anushka won, okay? 5-4. Last time 5-4, okay? Okay? And come. Faster. So how was the lesson? Good? Enjoy? So you have to get the ball, okay? With a nice forehand, nice footwork. In the forehand, you do, and then coming here, in the backhand, finish, recovery step, back, and then again hit, recovery step, back. Try to keep more ball. In this stage, you don't need to hit the winner, okay? Try to make, if you chance, you can do it, but mostly you try to hit more consistent, okay? Hit more balls, okay, on the board, okay? So today's lesson is finished. Thank you very much for coming, okay? Okay, thank you. Okay, bye-bye. So this is the lesson for the backhand. You understand, I am involving with the kids. It's not, I'm showing in the camera. This is my job. I always do last 25 years, 30 years, the same thing. Maybe the first 5 years I was not doing because I was learning that time. But when I was working in Japan and Hong Kong and all this way, I learned that this is the way we have to teach. But in India, I think the coaches from the India, you try to, you see that, I don't want to say anything. You just realize, are you doing this one? And if you are doing, then it's very good. But if you are not doing, so please, because our kids are very nice, they are very talented. We need to improve more to them, and they are our future. So our country future, our future, because when they will play good, the lot of kids will come, and then we can earn also more. So please, I don't want to give any advice to anybody because I'm not in that position. So because of that, I just try to do this. If you like, it's okay. You please like and comment, and if you and subscribe our channels. I will try to make like this to helping kids my whole life, because my job to develop the tennis. Because before I was working in the ITF development department with Suresh Menon. He was a great person and he helped me a lot. So thank you. I just want to thanks again to Suresh Menon because he did lot to me, and because of that, because of him also, I'm like, I'm here to doing all the things because he taught me a lot. So thank you, Suresh Menon, and thank you all the coaches who are helping me, and all the kids, all the parents who are always helping me in every part of the world. Thank you. Bye-bye.